Welcome to Brunswick Heads, New South Wales, a van life mecca. This is a preview of the full version, which is coming out the next few weeks. Had a wonderful weekend, spotted some wonderful fish under the water, and back had a wonderful swim. So enjoy this preview and stay awesome. Where are we now, Beck?
Brunswick Heads.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Gee, you're looking pretty cool there with all your Gucci gear on.
Yeah, I'm ready to go for a walk.
That looks like the real deal.
Yeah, I am a real deal.
Oh, there you go. Jeez. Out of the Gucci shop. What are you going to jump in the water there, Beck, are you? I'll watch you. We're getting a good shot of you here. Looks alright. It's pretty good. Very clear, yeah. You can hop in. Make sure you got your Gucci sunglasses on though. Things getting serious now. It looks it. I think Beck's coming through here somewhere. Place the line of activity, I tell you. went underneath that bridge and I haven't seen it come back. He's in the current now, so he's fighting the current. So Beck survived. I thought I'd have to come and rescue you. Lucky. Yeah. Look at all the people, on the boats watching you. Oh, you're going for another swim? Can't get around to the water. Middle with the banana skin. Ready? Oh! I nearly got you. Hey, take it off. He won't like that. Hey, what a beauty. Throw it to me, Beck, see what he does. Only one piece, not two. You ready? You want it, Beck? I'll throw you one. Ready? So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll see the full version of Brunswick Heads. We've got a lot to tell you, got some awesome footage as you can see, and this is just a tiny piece of it. It's an absolutely awesome spot. We'll give you the lowdown on accommodation, parking meters, parking fines, you name it, we've got it. Stay awesome and wait for the final episode to be released very soon.